Good morning and welcome to today's question. Question number 19. Differentiate between a bid and a tender. Give 4 advantages of open competitive bidding in a procurement process. Okay, answer. There is a thin line between a bid and a tender, and many people use them interchangeably. A bid is the presentation made by a bidder or a contractor in response to an invitation from a procuring entity requesting for offer to provide goods, works, or services. A bid is also a response from a contractor or supplier to that tender or invitation. What does this simply mean? It simply means that suppliers submit a bid. The key point there is it includes price, technical proposal, and company qualification, compete with others bidders, submitted before the tender deadline, evaluated to determine the best value. Example is a construction company submit its price and technical documentation. That is a bid. A tender is actually a document that shows how the project will be executed depending on the project specification provided by the client. Now, a tender is an official invitation issued by a procuring entity asking suppliers or contractors to submit offers for a project, goods, or what services. In a simple term, it means the buyer start the process. What are the key points? Issued by a government agency or an organization, contains specifications, scope, condition, date, timeline, and evaluation criteria. 3. Can be open tender, selective tender, or restrictive tender. 4. It is the procurement process slash document, not the offer itself. Example, the Bureau advertised a tender for road construction. That is on that. Now, what are the advantages of open competitive bidding? 1. It encourages transparency and fairness in public procurement. 2. Create equal opportunity to all interested bidders to participate. 3. Give simultaneous information to all. 4. It reduces fraud and corruption in public procurement. 5. Gives equal access and fair opportunity for bidders to compete. 6. Bring out defined criteria for bidders to tender for contract. And 8. Gives opportunity to procuring entities to openly offer for procurement